this is Janice and welcome back to my channel. Before I begin this video, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers and to those who have not yet, please subscribe. Today's video is gonna be an unboxing my Impressions Vanity Slaycase Pro travel train case. Come on, unbox with me. Very heavy pen. It looks like a medium size, like a regular luggage case. Ah! Gosh. Static, guys, static. So it looks like the exterior is pretty good and there's no damage, and the color is very pretty. It's kind of pinkish rose gold color. Oh, okay, so I don't have to install the legs. Trying to figure out how to open this case. Gosh. Woo. Oh, wow. This is how it looks like. It's really huge. It's like the size, or the half size of my vanity. So this, you could put the bulbs here. Bulb. Wow. Huge bulb. So I put all the bulbs. Let's try turning on these lights. Wow! You can adjust the light and you can do this. Dim or this or that. Wow. And it has a plug and I could extend this higher. So there, as soon as you hear that clicks, that means it's safe. There, I am sure you heard that. And there. So right now, this is what I'm gonna show you, and that's pretty much it. And I think the bulbs are working, and the case are pretty well made, and it looks like I could store a lot of makeup here. So that's it for my video today, and thank you all for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.